let's continue on the this part 3. After installation, try to load our free model. So in the earlier two video parts is we have stacked on here. Got this arrow. So exception is thread AWT every event Q 0. So the error message, if you read that, is not the memory. So we try to adjust the memory is not coming to the root cause. This root cause is coming for our API version. So JAXBA 2.0 or 2.1 is being loaded, but this RI, the enterprise architecture essential update, this one need 2.2. So we load 2.1 and we have a lower version. So use the indoors directory mechanism to place this jar in the bootstrap classic. So we have this Java guide, this one. So first let's coming. So in our mind map, so I add two parts for us to track. One is this error message for this troubleshooting part, so you can read this in your future reference. Second one is the important thing is I found this somebody in 2019 is already run the same issue. So to me, so which means this API issue is already the known issue. So I put this the reference link to our mind map is the question ID is the 29873. So and Jonathan is gave some answers. First is we've been run this neat posting. Thanks for this JXXB issue. So first is the ensure the Java version. So and we can set on this. I think is we set here. So virtual machine. So we don't use our this Prodigy's virtual machine. So let's switch back to our earlier virtual machine, so which I have stored here. So this is one. That is our original. So that more than 1.8. So let's delete this first back. So come to preference here, and you may see here Prodigy and on here the VM. So let me copy this to my folder, then I will paste this. So that is our JDK, OpenJDK watch Java. So that is one. So let's continue to put this is also let's see this jar file. Alternative way to add this GXAB. So let's see. So you still have this Java virtual machine. The Windows you should use. If not, even on Windows you should use slash separate in the path. So it's like this way. So that is. Let me see. So I use this Windows-based slash. So let's put that here. So if I put C program, so let me edit this here. Maybe that is the reason it's not recognized by this part. So whether this one now is working. But I saw others are looks like good. So I will close our Prodigy, then load again. So that is one thing. Then we will learn how to make the another part. So another part is this JXXB 2.2 library. So that is the recommend from this error message. So include the essential update tab that need to copy Prodigy install JRE index create index if it's not already there. So I think it should only in the file. Let me find this. We have our file here. So I'm in this one and plugin. So we need this JXAB. I don't think we have that one here. And let me see the example. That is the JRE. Not here. And since I'm not using this virtual machine, so let me see whether I will get error again. So you can see now the performance is quite better. So still, let me check is now is the exceptional. So that is the change to our Java, then that is getting the different error. So exceptional initializer. Caused by this inaccessible object exception, make protected final. This class JavaLang model opens a JavaLang to unnamed module. So let me pause again. That is not work. I close this one and I read this from another part is recommend. So from here. Oh, so which one is arrow applying? This one. So if you start, I think it's mentioned run Prodigy install using this one. Run Prodigy using the download that does not include the bundled Java. So that is the one thing. Let me try to uninstall. First download are no Java Prodigy. So let's come to here. You can see, let me see, but it's a Linux, but for Windows I don't have it without Java. So additional for adding, these are the Linux with, so they just the same. So we don't have a version for Windows doesn't have Java. So that is not the one. Or install Java 1.8 and then convert project deployment to use that new Java. So that is the old one, right? So guidelines select the correct Java. So possible is I need to get JDK. So Microsoft Open JDK. Whether I can get is 1.8. So Java JDK. So let's go to the 8. If you still require 8, download from this one. And I will switch to this 8. Maybe this OpenJDK 20 is too high. So operating anything. Oh, Windows. This one. So Windows X60. So JDK, so many. So MSI, so I just use this MSI. Hope is I can switch to this 1.8. That's not so. We can also use Debian, so configure, so that is the compatibility with the version 8, right? So the same as OpenJDK 1.8. Java's version is quite Java 1.8. Just to give you a lot of the confusing. So let's run this. You can have multiple Java version on your same PC. So let's do this to see. That is from the Eclipse Foundation. Install to all user. No, I don't want that is be my path. So let's check our installation. I should have this Eclipse. So now from here, I should have the bin. And let me find this Java. So let's come to here. So oh, CD, I don't get. So I should have this. So Java version. No, cannot create a fatal, so no JRE. But whether I can just put these two over Prodigy. So we have this Java exe. So come to here, change to preference, go to here, second one, and I will replace this with our java.exe. Just use and close that. Then reopen. Let me see whether now is allow me to open. I hope this JDK is working. And they should load our update yeah, here. I have that, and then let me try to open here to essential free model, just this one. Oh, no error. You see, update this one, apply. Perfect. So now I got applied. So that is again is the Java issue. Update successfully. So Here is, let's go to, I think it's so we can directly see that capability within the concept. Or it's load this 9 capability. Let's directly publish that to my sample and from viewer to see that. But perfect, we finally within 3 videos we fix that. So this is a warning, so scared me. So success, then I come to here. Let's refresh. This is my sample. And I will go to the capability dashboard to see. Oh, am I? No, come to here. Yeah, so this is the new view actually. So I go to capability dashboard. There's a no result. So no result means let's back to here. Then it's not this loaded issue. So let's see what are the, do we have any root capability? What is this one? Financial. Which one we can put that? So parent is payment. So payment is retail banking. Let me find the root. Retail banking is root is the banking. Banking is the root, right? Okay. Marketing, corporate management, banking. So if you want to show that, you need to go to the EA support and come to the waiver. So essential waiver, and then remember it's the report configuration. You have this report const root business capability. Oh, here is we already have the banking. So that is the capability. So this also loaded. Why the banking is doesn't show? So successful. So let me publish again. So it's done. So we should see our model business capability dashboard doesn't show our things. Let me see here whether I can banking. No, so that means it's our linkage to from our model to this weaver is not correct. Sample it's just a sample, and there's nothing here. So let me come support all instance. And I load many business capability. So let me find from that. Here, no data available. So that is the not correct. So let me restart the Tomcat. But I don't think that's due to that. It's this publish doesn't load our model. So restart service. And let me close this and local sample. And you saw this Weaver's portal is separate by multiple this categories already. That's the new portal. So let me just look at banking. Oh yeah, now good. So I think I should be able to show finally is celebrating part is business capability. Let's go to here, show. Oh, that is not correct. So do we have any other business capability tree? So I want to see tree is fine. At least I should see the capability, right? So, but now there's nothing. So let me see. Bank is already there. As the business capability, I can see the summary. So those views are not linked to the capability. So I'm not quite sure is this the way that is making the model is not work. So, but what I will trying to do now is since it's already working like this way, so let's open again. So not save. I will open our repo tools for this essential here. I open this one and then overwrite our sample. Then this I load this Herm, the model now. So with that is I can try to show whether this Herm should be our better model. So let me make that and save this and overwrite our repo. So that sample is just for us to play around. So this one I just overwrite. And then, so once you see here is a sample, let's do this load. So we already have that first one work. So let me see the from the tool essential free model and HERF. So we should load this first, then existing Herm user doesn't, and just one of those. So let me open. So it's open. Let's see whether we have error. Good. So let me make that here. Then you can see the progress. Yes. So let's observe our arrows, if anything. So apply. Oh, I should check is we have zero capability because we are now is as our empty one. So finally, so we cannot either use the built-in Java or the any other JDK. We should use the exact Java 8. Then that's no compatibility issue. So let's accept that. So infer setting widget. So all of them are working. So oh, this her model is really a big model. But let's just load this base model. So this means EMM 6.20 pack preview. So after load this, we publish and see what we have. I will pause to save time. So it's almost 2 minutes around. So now it's update success. Let's switch to see here. So you can come to here to see business. Do you have anything? So you can check project metrics, total slot. So anything is we have those. Capability nothing. So I think they just build some those kind of the baseline, but there's no actual things putting inside. So let's get another one. So I built this business reference model. No error, then apply. We should have those. Oh, you can see now we have slot instance 3775 when they load that. Yeah, that is an increase. So is then you can check mapping here. So it's not making too much quick. So updating. So only 100 around. Let's wait on. So this, let's see what are the business capability. Quite a lot. Business goal. I can see capability goal. So it should more than 400 now. So successful. So 400. Let's check. I got the numbers of this one, and I remember is I saw the business goal. Where is the business goal? Business goal. I think it's not in the conceptual. Let me find this on the EA support strategy. Is here we have something. So business goal. Not here. So what is the business goals objective here? So we have 5 goals. Row that's not the loaded here. So only in the capability. So that's take a really big time. So let's popping up here. So to this sample render, and I will check is on that root capability whether that is okay. So I have a separate video to show you how to populate the capability model. So that is you need to have some settings to ensure is your Weaver can get the enough information on this constant. I think is root capability. Yeah, now it's a Herm. I hope is we can have this model working. So capability summary. Let me just perfect. But this is bank, not my current the one. So let me go to here. Earlier I don't have that, so it's a pity. I already overwrite bank. I think perfect. So, but this is the bank, right? Not the Herm. So retail bank. Why is the it's still on the banking? So I need the Herm, right? So Herm. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Or they have the time difference. So now my capabilities all has this bank part, but I already export this to here. So let me reload. And I go to capability catalog. So good, I don't have this one. And oh, Herf. So Herm, let me see. Herm. No, but it's the banking. So yeah, so that is really weird. So I have this one now. So, and that is correct. Is based on our previous version of the load. But my current version. So my let me see the business capability. We don't have banking. We have a bank, but we don't have banking. So let me save that and publish again. It should have this working and override this old one, right? So Let me see. Why they still have this? Oh, it's the possible is the catch. So let me use the. Let me go to the edge. So to ensure is I don't have that catch. So localhost 8080 sample. Go to, just try to search. I need the herm, not bank. No. Come to here. Capability catalog. This catalog doesn't load my documents here. So if I go to the capability dashboard, I don't want to see bank, but it's still bank. So my time is 14.44. So let me see here. Those are always the troubleshooting part. I think it's our latest push are the 14.40 some part. Let's look at our web app. This sample, this one. You see, it's 14.43. So that is the correct thing. So one thing is I will change that to old. And then I will push that new again. So let me see. Push is just it's create a new report XML file. So if I come to here, they should have a new file. This should be my current view, right? So let me refresh. But it's still bank, so that is really weird. So let me see, do I have the herf? No. So that means this model only have this sample. So let me see here. So if I go to the repo, it is has this one. So let me save to my model to another folder. So indeed, is my current capability doesn't have a bank. So let's save that to another folder. So we just play around is just test. And then open that is I call that test. So OR test. And I will publish my, let's wait on this save to test and publish also to sample. Here is 46. Let's ensure is I got 46. So that is good. Let me refresh from my Chrome. So do I still have bank? That will not make sense. No. So her. That is weird. So I have my her. So I think it's here. My root should be this one. And I don't have the banking anymore. So I have to overwrite it, and this is the test. And one thing is, another part is I will show you a last test. But I think it's until now is we already know how to make those work. So it's due to the Java version. So let's paste our test. And then back to here, web app, just paste here. Later on, I will clean up this sample. So you will have this test extracted to a folder immediately. So let's ensure is yeah, test is coming. So let's wait until it's done. So It's quite a lot. Then what you need to adjust is here. I will populate this to test once it's finished. If they are keep extracting is you want to publish, I think you will get error. Sending, so failed because they don't have that repo XML file yet. So just wait a little bit. Essential waiver repo service could not be found. So they just need that repo XML. It's quick. So coming to some more folders. Oh, it's based on the alphabet, so it's coming to J, so not finished. There's quite a lot supporting JavaScript. But we already showed banking. Finally, that model was correct. But it's interesting is why is only show that repo XML is here. I believe we can publish and that will be replaced. Oh, it's still running. So test is my folder name. This one looks good now. So just look at this file. Is this hour. So this time, let's have a look on business reference model of our HERF. So let's see. So I will put that is local, not a sample anymore. I will put test. It's still this old view, but that's never mind. Later we will publish the latest one. Capability. Let's see. So HERF. Strange. So it's still reading, I think. So is this a herm actually? I need this HERM. Okay, so possible they are still pushing to the folder and not finished all the rendering. I think it's our banking also have some time delayed. Let me have a look from here to see. You have another part is this repositive duplicate key class. So we can see how many. Not from here. All instance class overview. So some those kind of supporting view we will also introduce later on. So that is this one and instance over by ID. No, so complete. Nothing. That is weird. I will have, oh, this is the application capability. So I think I should find this business capability with a library. Business capability catalog. This is not correct. Let me close this and then services, restart our Tomcat. to read our file again. And then local test. If a multiple icon, that is the upgraded 6.19. I like this slow. Slow means they are trying to load something. If it's quick, mean oh yeah, this is coming. So let's come to architecture capability. Show me something. No, still the herb. Yeah, but herm is coming. Good, good. So summary. I think it's in the backend is like the banking. So all these views they still are doing some the rendering, but I hope is that they can do those in them the parallel way. So let's just look at it. I have information governance. I have several capability about the information. Let me see whether they are already loaded. Oh, that is perfect. So, but yeah, we have this data. Oh, so not only the business part is a lot of. So can I have this supplier? So we have one view about this supplier impact map. So whether this one is can be loaded. We have numbers of the supplier now, but we don't have our capability model rendered yet. So that is, let me see, some part is they can load our capability. So capability tree. So but if there's nothing, it's still fine. It's because I can see the instance already. The rest of the things is just some of those the kind of the loading part. Like here is business capability. If I load here, compared to the earlier is now we can already see those total numbers. So we have this 189 capability, so which is referred to this 189. So with this video, I think is what we our purpose. I already use 3 videos. Try to show you is you can use this free model to load into your the essential architecture manager that you can starting to explore some samples before you are going to make your own model. Next part is we will install, continue finish the whole installation about this import utility. I have already the other earlier video is to show you how to use the import utility, but let's ensure we install this WAR, the web application package, so that we finish this open source installation. Bye for now.